Hello guys, welcome back to another things. But for today's video, here going to show you how to fix Samsung soundbar blinking blue light. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you do see a blinking blue light here, it just means that the soundbar is trying to pair wirelessly. So usually the subwoofer or maybe another Bluetooth device like your TV or phone is waiting for a connection. Now, how do you fix this? Now, there are two ways here. So that includes the first one is going to be automatic pairing, and the second one is going to be manual pairing here. Now, if your soundbar came with a wireless subwoofer, they're often designed to pair automatically, and what you need to do is you just need to plug in both the soundbar and the subwoofer to their power outlets and turn on the soundbar. Now, if everything is working as it should, they'll find each other on their own, so the blinking blue light should turn solid once the connection is successful. Now, if the light keeps blinking here, that means that they didn't pair automatically, and in this case, you need to do this manually. Now, how do you do this? So again, you want to make sure that you plug in both soundbar and subwoofer to power, and on the back of the subwoofer, look for a small button or labeled here as ID set. Now, in this case, it's very tiny, so you'll probably need a pin or a paper clip to press it. Now, you want to go ahead and just hold it down until the blue light starts blinking, and this means it's ready to pair. Now, go to the soundbar. Now, if it has an ID set button, you want to press and hold it while the soundbar is off until the words ID set shows on the actual display. Now, if it doesn't have a physical button, some models use a mute or volume up button on the remote instead, so you may want to refer to your manual for this one. So, finally, turn the soundbar back on. If the connection works, the blinking blue light should stop and stay solid blue, meaning it's now paired successfully. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.